The opponent has 100,000 combat power over us, but we trounce them in close combat. Close combat in Sea of Conquest, like Rouge Rumble and Trials, is fun and easy to win if we know the simple concept. Welcome on board the Meta Instincts channel. This video will cover the tricks for winning close combat in Rogue Rumble and share some exciting news about Packsify. Close combat is different from naval warfare. It solely relies on the heroes themselves without considering the ship and damage type, such as strategic or cutthroat. Looking closely at the hero skills, you will find two types of skills. The left is for naval warfare, with 336% of attacks being strategic damage to 5 ships. The right one is for close combat, like 400% of Griffin's attacks on all enemies. We cannot turn off the auto battle function during the Rouge Rumble battle, but we can control it during trials. Manual fighting in close combat is more engaging and intricate. We will create a video demonstrating manual combat. Let's begin with a simple close combat using auto battle. Attributes. The first thumb rule is prioritizing legendary heroes over epic and rare ones. Legendary heroes have higher stats, resulting in greater damage output and HP. For example, a level 200 legendary hero has 750 more strength and 300 more constitution than an epic hero. Each point of strength and constitution contributes to 2 damage and 10 heroes HP, which means a legendary hero will have 1,500 more damage and 3,000 more HP than an epic hero. This advantage gives you a better chance in battles. Obtaining legendary heroes is more challenging and requires a significant amount of conchs, which can be obtained slowly for free from events like Grand Odyssey and Pirate Legend. We always take advantage of sales bundles to quickly accumulate conchs, such as the Summer Sales Bundle, which costs around $63. But thanks to Packsify, the sponsor of this video, we can get up to 28% discount on every purchase. Packsify is a thriving Discord community with over 10,000 members. It has saved players over $4.1 million in the last 3 years. Now, they are launching an app that makes getting discounts easier. Packsify is hosting an app launch contest to celebrate. By joining the waiting list through the link in the description, you get a chance to win $1,000 in Packsify credits. It's simple, click the link below, join the waiting list and our Discord server, and you could be the lucky winner of $1,000 in Packsify credits. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram, X, and other platforms for a bigger chance to win. Hurry up because the winner will be announced on July 15th. Link in the description. Thank you Packsify for sponsoring this video. Number of target. The second rule is to select heroes with the most significant damage output. A hero that can attack multiple targets at once is preferable to one that can only target a single enemy. For instance, Lester's skill deals 400% damage to all heroes, while Molly's skill deals 460% damage to only one hero. Despite Molly's seemingly higher damage percentage, Lester's ability to damage up to 5 heroes can result in a total damage output of 2,000%. A straightforward way to measure the damage potential of a hero is by examining the battle report. For example, despite being ranked 2, Griffin manages to deal the highest damage, exceeding 130,000. Other heroes such as Lester, Luna, and Ophelia contribute decent damage. Our opponent's Lester inflicts similar damage to our Lester, while Barnacle's damage output is slightly lower. Molly's damage output is less than 50% of Lester's due to her single target nature. Furthermore, the opponent has 2 healers. We found that a damage dealer is better than a healer in many close battles. Having 2 healers will limit you to 3 damage dealers and reduce the damage output. Favorite heroes. Based on our observations, Griffin and Lester consistently deliver the most damage in close combat. Ophelia, Boa, Adeline, and Luna also deal decent damage, but their output can vary. Bones becomes strong at rank 4 because his 3rd and 4th skills allow him to launch skills for free, damaging more targets. He's even more robust if we control him manually during the trial. Barnacle and Sharky have lower damage than the other heroes and are not typically preferred. Ahab is crucial in close combat because his shield protects all ally heroes, significantly boosting the team's survivability. Everyone has different hero ranks, levels, and trinkets, so checking your battle report to identify your top damage dealers among your heroes is essential. Picking an opponent. CP is the primary indicator, but we can still defeat opponents with higher CP if their hero combo is weak. If the opponent uses Griffin and Lester and their CP is higher than ours, we won't choose them. We will accept the challenge if the opponent's Lester is lower than rank 6 and other decent heroes are absent. However, if the opponent's CP is 30% higher than ours, It will be a risky challenge. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. We will cover rage and manual fights in the next episode. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.